Hello children, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Now today we are going to discuss exercise 30 and 31 from your mental maths book. Those who are having your books, please turn to page number 30. Those who are having your book, please turn to page number 30, 31. We are going to discuss, 31 and 32. 30 till 30 we have completed. Exercise 30 was your homework, sorry. Now today we are going to discuss exercise 31 and 32. Okay, today we are going to discuss exercise 31 and 32. Those who are having your books with you, please turn to page number 31 and 32. Exercise 31, fill in the blank boxes. Fill in the blank boxes. A. 23 tens and 15 ones. Okay, wait. Let me show the book. See, exercise 31. Fill in the blank boxes. 23 tens minus 15 ones equal dash. 23 tens, all of you know very easy. 230 minus 15 ones means 15. So, 230 minus 15 will give you the answer. Right? Next one, B. How many 4s are there in 96? How many 4s are there in 96? 96 divided by 4. Or 4 multiplied by how much will give you 96. If you all know the tables, all of you will be able to write. Next, 5000 minus 4111. Very easy, simple subtraction. Next, D. 64 plus 74 plus dash equal 200. First, you have to add 64 plus 74 and then you have to subtract from 200. Then you will get the answer. Next, E. 10 tens minus dash equals 77. So, 10 tens means what, children? 10 tens means 100. 100 minus dash will give you 77. So, from 100, if you subtract 77, will give you the answer. Next, add 5 sets of 15 to 725. 5 sets of 15 means 5 into 15. You first write it down and then with it you add 725 and then you will get your answer. G. 19 into 0 into 73 equal dash. 19 into 0 into 73 equal dash. So, anything multiplied by 0 always give you a 0. All of you know it. So, your answer will be 0. 10 hundreds have dash tens. 10 hundreds means after 10 you have to write 2 zeros. 10 hundreds means after 10 you have to write 2 zeros. That means your number will be 1000. So 1000 have how many tens? 1000 have how many tens? 1000 have 100 tens. Okay? Take away 6 from the product of 13 and 4. Take away 6 from the product of 13 and 4. So first you are going to multiply 13 into 4. Then from that you are going to subtract 6. Children, if you don't learn the tables, nobody will be able to help you. So please learn the tables. How many 5 rupee notes are there in rupees 50? How many 5 rupee notes are there in rupees 50? So, 2 5 rupee notes will make 10. 4 5 rupee notes will make 20. 6 5 rupee notes will make 30. 8 5 rupee notes will make 40. And 10 5 rupee notes will make rupees 50. So, how many 5 rupee notes are there in rupees 50? 10. 10 will be your answer. Or otherwise, you can divide 50 by 5. Okay, I hope I am clear to all of you. Please do it. Next. Exercise 32. Fill in the blank boxes again. 1 less than 1000 is dash. I'm sure all of you know the answer. If not, then you can do one thing. 1000 minus 1 will also give you this answer. Next. 30 100 plus 2 tens equal dash. 30 hundreds means after 30 2 zeros. That means 3000 plus 2 tens means 20. 3000 plus 20. Next, 15,000 plus 15 tens. Same way. 6040 minus 100, simple subtraction. Next, 12 multiplied by 8 minus 20 equal dash. First, you are going to multiply 12 into 8. Then from that, you subtract 20. Will give you the answer. Next, dash into 15. Dash equal 15 into 30. Now, children, 15 into 30. How will you multiply? I have taught you in the multiplication. 15 into 3 you will multiply and then put a 0 at the end. Next, dash into 10 equal 4000. So, 40 into 10 will give you 4000. Now, if you can do it in another way also. 10 into 10, 100. Now, from 4 means 4000 divided by 100. In that way also you can do. Will give you the same answer, 40. Okay. Next, 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. Plus 3 into 11, 33. So, 33 plus 49 equal dash tens plus 2 ones. Please do it by yourself. You have done this type of sums enough. Rupees 15.25 plus rupees dash equal rupees 20. So, from rupees 20, if you subtract 15.25, you will get the answer. How many 9s are there in 270? How many 9s are there in 270? So, 270 divided by 9. I don't know you people have marked up the table of 9 or not. If you have done it, then I'm sure all of you will be able to answer it. Okay. So, I hope you have understood the sums. Now, please do it by yourself, children. I'm requesting all of you to do it by yourself. Okay. So, children, I hope all of you have understood. Now, please do exercise 31 and 32 and exercise 33 also, which is going to be your homework. Okay, I'm going to send the answers. You will check it out. But before that, please do it by yourselves. Okay, and don't forget to learn the tables again. So, no more for today. We are going to meet in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay healthy, stay happy, and enjoy learning. Thank you.